I'm Joe with ExtremeTerrain, and this video is to demonstrate fitment for 15-inch wheels and 31-inch tires on a stock, non-lifted Sport Sahara Rubicon and Unlimited TJ. In this video, I'm going to go over who this setup is ideal for, review the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on, and of course, off-road. This wheel and tire combo will fit all non-lifted stock Sport Sahara Rubicon and Unlimited TJs without needing any other modifications. This setup is ideal for those of you that aren't lifting your TJ, but you're still looking for that more aggressive stance that's gonna come with bigger tires. Customers running this setup, they're staying mainly on road. Keep in mind, this is the biggest tire you can run on a stock non-lifted TJ. 31-inch tires, they're gonna be slightly larger than stock. So clearance in the wheel well area, it's gonna be a little tighter when you're comparing it to that stock wheel and tire setup. Running 31s on your stock non-lifted TJ is gonna be perfectly fine for on-road daily driving. This setup is completely free from rubbing any suspension components. However, when running mud terrain tires, you will have a slight rubbing on the front bumper, only on aggressive turning though. That is due to the larger lug pattern on mud terrains, but as those tires are worn in a little bit, this will eventually stop occurring. Now, in off-road situations, you can expect rubbing of the tires, especially if you're doing any kind of articulation. If you do want to get involved in more serious off-roading, we suggest having a leveling or lift kit installed. You can find those right here on the site. Again, this setup of 31-inch tires with 15-inch wheels is very popular with our customers. It will give your TJ a much more aggressive look over the stock setup. Also, if you purchase a set from ExtremeTerrain, we make it easy for you to get these on your TJ. You can have them mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you, and then all you have to do is have the jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready. You'll have these on your Jeep in no time. And if you have any questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product reviews and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.